Well, student, in the last lecture, we had studied about the charging of a body. In the last lecture, glass rod it was rubbed with the silk cloth or the wool. The glass rod becomes electrically positive. Plastic rod it was rubbed with the fork, and the plastic rod becomes electrically negative. Charging process is possible when the two bodies are rubbed to each other. When between the two bodies interaction takes place, that time the electrons are transferred from the one body to the other body. One of the body it is loses the electron, and the another body it is receive the electron. Through this way the charging process is possible. And also we studied the one device which can detect the one charged particle. That device it is known as a gold leaf electroscope, or simple it is known as a electroscope. And also we studied the one equation that can be calculated the change in the mass of the body. Maybe the decrease the mass of the body, maybe it is a increase the mass of the body. That equation is capital M is equal to small n into Ne, where Me it is for the mass of electron, and the mass of electron it is 9.1 into 10 to minus 31 kilogram, and where N is equal it is a integer number, that is 1, 2, 3 and likewise. Okay. Now today we are going to studying about the next topic, topic number 1.3. The name of this topic it is a conductor and insulator. Conductor and insulator. Now what is the meaning of conductor? Conductor means what? Metal. A conductor which can allow the electricity. A conductor through which we can pass the electron. A substance which is allowed to pass the electron or the electricity, it is known as a conductor. It is known as a conductor. For example of the conductor, all metals can allow the electricity, can allow to pass the what electron. Therefore, metals are called the conductor. Even the human and the animal bodies, it is also known as a conductor. Because in our body, we can pass out electricity. That is why we are feeling the word shock or any electric current. We experience any electric current. Even the earth is also electrically good conductor. Because all the electricity it is conducted by the earth. Even the lightning is falling on the surface of the earth, it is to be passing through the surface of the earth and it is conducted by the earth. Okay. So now first thing it is about the conductor. Those substances allow electricity to pass through them easily is called conductor. For example of the conductor, it is metals, human and the animal bodies, and the earth is conductor. Well, ladies, come to the conductor means what? It is do not allow the electricity. It is called the conductor. Okay. Now the next topic, it is about the insulator. Insulator means what? Plastic material, porcelain material. They do not allow the electricity. Those substances do not pass the electrons. Those substances do not allow the electricity. Those substances do not allow the electric current. It is known as the what? It is known as an insulator. It is known as an insulator. For example of the insulator, it is your porcelain, plastic wires. Another example, it is your wood and etc. Okay. So now insulators, those substances do not allow electricity pass through them is called the insulator. For example of the insulator, it is a porcelain, plastic, nylon and the wood, etc. Okay. So well, another things, when any charged body it is in contact with the earth, then what happen? That excess electron it is conducted by the earth. That all the electrons it is passing through the earth. It is conducted by the earth. That is to be explained into this one. When we bring a charged body in contact with the earth, when we bring a charged body in contact with the earth, all the excess charges on the body pass to the ground through the connecting conductor. All the excess charges pass to the ground through the conducting conductor. It is known as a earthing of the conductor. It is known as a earthing of the conductor. There is two example. It is drawn on this board. What is the meaning of the earth is? So the process of selling of charges with the earth is called the grounding or earthing. Again, the process of selling of charges with the earth is called grounding or earthing. How to draw the grounding, the symbol of the earthing or the grounding? Student, into these two diagrams, this is the symbol of the grounding, or it is also known as the symbol of the earthing. there are two metal plates. First metal plate, it is a positively charged, and the second plate, it is a negatively charged. This metal plate, it is connected with the word earth by this conducting wire. The second plate also connected with the word earth by this conducting wire. Okay. First plate, it is our positively charged. When this plate is positively charged, then what happened? All the electrons from the earth, it is moving to the word conductor and neutralize the word plate. That time direction of the current will be opposite to the direction of motion of electron. The electrons are moves upward direction. That time the current will be moves in an opposite direction of the electron, motion of the electron. Another examples. In this plate, this is our negatively charged plate, and this is an excess number of electrons. It is an negative charges. When this plate is connected with the earth by this conducting wire, then this all the electron is conducted by the word earth. This all the electrons move to the word ground. Then electrons are moved to the ground. Then electric current will be produced in an opposite direction of the motion of the electron. So, dear student, this is the symbol of the earth. Electron is conducted by the earth. Therefore, this process, it is known as which process? Earthing or the grounding process. Earthing or the grounding process. Okay. So now, the process of setting of the charges with the earth, it is called the word grounding or earthing. Grounding or earthing. Well, in our houses, when the wiring takes place, in our houses, the wiring takes place. In our, there are total 3 wires. The first wire, it is called the live wire. First wire, it is called which wire? Live wire. Second wire, it is called the neutral wire. And the third wire, it is called the earth wire. The total number of the wiring in our houses, there are 3. First wire is the live wire. Second wire, it is your neutral wire. And the third wire, it is your earth wire. Okay. Live wire, it is in red color. Red color wire, it is your live wire. Okay. Red color wire, it is which wire? Live wire. That live wire, it is brings a current. It is brings a current from the power station. The live wire, it is our red wire, which is brings a current from the power station. Another wire is a neutral wire. Neutral wire, it is in black color. Neutral wire, it is in a black color. The color of the neutral wire, it is a black, which is return the current, or it is known as a return wire. Red wire, it is bring the current. Black wire, it is return the current. Third wire, it is known as the earthing wire or earth wire. Earth wire, it is in green color. Earth wire, it is in a which color? Green color. It is connected to the thick metal plate. This earth wire, it is in green color. It is connected to the thick metal plate, and that thick metal plate, it is buried deep into the earth. That thick metal plate buried deep into the earth. Now, what happened with this earth wire? What is the use of the earthing of the wire? Earthing of the wire, it is to be used to conduct the excess number of the electrons, to conduct the more electricity when it is produced, and that excess number of the electrons, it is conducted by the earth. That is why it is called the earthing wire. How to use this earthing wire in our electrical appliances? How to use this earthing wire in our electrical appliances? That is to be explained into this one. There is a heavy electrical appliances like a electric iron. Another heavy device, it is called refrigerator. Another heavy device, it is TV. They are connected to the earth wire. When any fault occurs, or the live wire touches the metal body, or the live wire, it is touches to the metal body, the charge flow to the earth, and the person may touch the body of the appliances, does not receive any shock. Like there is a heavy electrical appliances. The heavy electrical appliances means what? There is an iron. Another heavy electrical appliances, it is a refrigerator and the TV. When any fault is occurred, or maybe the live wire, it is touches to the metal body of the electrical appliances. Then what happens? Through that earthing wire, we can save our body, because that excess number of the charges, it is conducted by the earth, and heavy shocks cannot be received by the human body. That is why all the heavy electrical appliances, they are using the which wire? The earthing wire. It is known as a 3-plug pin. It is known as a 3-plug pin. In our 3-plug pin, there are 3 wires. One is a red wire, second is a black wire, third is a green wire. Red wire, it is our live wire. Black wire, it is our neutral wire. And the green wire, it is your earthing wire. Through the earthing wire, we can save our body through the heavy shock. We can save our body through the heavy shock. So the student, the types of the substances are 2. There is a conductor and there is a what? Insulator. That is completed. In our houses, total there are 3 types of wire is there. Live wire, neutral wire and the earthing wire. What is the use of the live wire, which is bring the current? What is the use of the black wire, which is return the current? And what is the use of the green wire? It is to be earthing wire to save our human body and to save our electrical appliances. We are using the earthing wire. So now this topic is completed. Now the another topic. The name of this topic is your topic number 1.4. It is a charging by induction. Charging by induction or charging of two spheres by induction method. It is a charging by induction or charging of 2 metal spheres by using the induction method. Okay. So in total there are 5 diagrams. It is shown into this one. Figure number A, figure number B, figure number C, figure number D, figure number E. Observe these 5 figures. In the first figure, there are 2 metal spheres. And they are in contact. In the second figure, we are using the glass rod. This positively charged glass rod. Into the next figure, these 2 spheres slightly separated. Same situation into figure D, but the glass rod is removed. Into the last figure, the glass rod is removed, but these 2 spheres are quite separated. They are quite separated. Okay? Total, the arrangement of these 5 figures it is completed. Now there is explanation how to charge the body without making any physical contact. The name of this theory, it is a charging by induction. Induction means what? You charge the body without making any physical contact. It is called the induction method. In this whole theory, we do not making any physical contact to charge the body. Well, there is a first figure in figure A. We are taking a 2 metal sphere. They are hold on the insulating stand. And they are in contact. Again, in figure A, there are 2 metal sphere. That 2 metal sphere hold on the insulating stand and they are in contact. Now in figure number B, using the positively charged glass rod, and that glass rod bring nearer to the first sphere or nearer to the left sphere. See, this is our positively charged rod. So naturally, this positively charged rod, it is induced which charges? Negative charges. It is attract the which charges? Negative charges. And this negative charges, it is induced the which charges? Positive charges on the second sphere or on the right hand side sphere. When we bring this positively charged rod nearer to the sphere A, it is induced the which charges? Negative charges. And this negative charges induce the which charges? Positive charges. Okay? So that is to be explained into this one. As shown in figure A, hold a 2 metal sphere on insulating stand. And place them in contact. Now in figure B, bring a positively charged glass rod near the left sphere. The free electrons get attracted towards the glass rod. The left surface of the sphere develops the excess negative charges. The left surface, this is the left surface of the left sphere, develop the excess number of positive charges. And on the right surface of the right sphere develops excess number of positive charges. excess number of the positive charges. Right surface of the right sphere develops excess of positive charges. Okay. So now the explanation about the figure A and the figure B, it is completed. Explanation about the figure A and figure B, it is completed. Now in figure C, little bit, slightly, these two spheres are separated. Little bit or slightly, these two spheres are separated. That is to be explained into this one. As shown in figure C, holding a glass rod near the left sphere, holding the glass rod near the sphere, a left sphere, and separate the two spheres by a small distance, and separate the two spheres by a small distance as shown in figure. The sphere now have a opposite charges. These two spheres now have a opposite charges. Means what? First sphere, left sphere, it is having a negative charges, and the right hand side sphere, it is having a positive charges. Okay. Now we are moving on the figure D. Now we are moving on the which figure? Figure D. You can see that in figure D, we are removing the glass rod. In figure D, we are removing the which rod? Glass rod. Now what happened? By removing this glass rod, this negative charges is moving towards the right hand side, and this positive charges is moving towards the left hand side of the right sphere. Between these two spheres, attraction takes place. Between these two spheres, attraction takes place. That is to be explained in figure D. As shown in figure D, remove glass rod. The charge on the sphere redistributed. Their positive and negative charges face to each other. Their positive and negative charges, they are face to each other, and they are attract to each other. Okay. Children, now we are moving the last figure, that is figure E. In this figure E, these two spheres are quite separated. When they are quite separated, then what happened? All the negative charges, they are redistributed on the surface of the metal sphere. All the positive charges, they are redistributed on the metal surface of the sphere. Now what happened? Initially, these two spheres, it was neutral. There is no charge on these two spheres. But finally, the one of the sphere becomes negatively charged and the second sphere becomes positively charged. Without making any physical contact between the glass rod and the sphere. Through this way, we can charge the body. This process, this method, it is known as the induction method. Charging by the induction method. Between the two bodies, without making any physical contact, if we can charge the body, that is called the charging by induction. Without making any physical contact, if we can charge the body, that is called the charging by induction. So now the last things. As shown in figure D, when the two spheres are separated quite apart, the charges on them get uniformly distributed. Thus, two metal spheres get charged by this process is called the charging by induction. And another definition, without making any physical contact between the two bodies, if we can charge a body, is called the charging by induction. Students, today we completed two topics. First topic, it is about the conductor. The second topic, it is about the insulator. And the next topic, it is about the charging by induction method. And also we studied about the types of the wire. Total types of the wire are three. One is the red wire, black wire, earthing wire. Important wire, it is our earthing wire. And how to make it, how to use the earthing wire, that is to be completed. Another topic we had completed, it is charging by induction. Without making any physical contact, if we can charge the body, that is called charging by induction method.